Hello! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enter the one-time boot menu on Predator 17. First of all, you need to shut down your computer if it's currently on. So let's do that. Just click on the power button, shut down anyway, if it asks you that. And wait a moment until everything shuts down, the light on the power button goes off, and then wait for additional several seconds, and then press on the power button and start repeatedly pressing on F12 key. If it doesn't go into the boot menu, that may mean that F12 boot is disabled, and to enable it, you should shut down your laptop again, press on the power button, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F2 key to go into BIOS to enable F12 boot. So let's press on the power button, then F2 key. I have a password, but you probably don't. Now go to main and find F12 boot menu. Probably you'll need to use the arrows on your keyboard. Then make sure it's set to enabled, click on F10, enter, and immediately after the screen goes black, start repeatedly pressing on the F12 key. From now on, F12 boot key will be available, and this is the one-time boot menu. Here you can select a bootable device you want to boot from, click on enter, and it's booted. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.